Hey guys, I'm Chef Pam and welcome back to another episode of Cooking at Pam's Place. Today we're going to make honey garlic salmon. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, and made from scratch, just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. We are back to make our marinade for our salmon. I have here some melted butter, and to that I'm going to add some olive oil, soy sauce, brown sugar, honey, parsley flakes, and some minced garlic. Stir this all up really well, in with a little Dijon mustard. I know we're going to add just a few red pepper flakes. It smells amazing. I wish you guys were here to smell this. Oh my goodness. Grab you some sliced lemons. We're going to just put these in the bottom of our baking dish. You don't need to spray it or anything because you have enough oil in your marinade. Okay, now for our honey garlic salmon, you want to just lay your salmon right on top of the lemons. Right on top of the lemons. Just like that. We're going to go in and just pour our marinade right on top of our fish. Right on top of our fish. We are going to marinate this for at least 1 hour. Give it a chance for these flavors to gel together. So cover it up with some plastic wrap before you put it in the refrigerator so that it can marinate. And while it's in the refrigerator marinating, you want to take it out and just baste it a little bit, just like I'm doing here. Just a little bit, doesn't need much. Now we're going to bake our salmon in a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes, and we are all done. Doesn't this look amazing? Now I serve this with rice and asparagus. You can spoon your extra liquid over the rice as I did. Please enjoy this recipe, subscribe, give me a like, and join the channel for exclusive recipes and content. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me in my kitchen today. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.